How you doing, everybody? This is another episode of junk restoration. Me and Ivan, we just bought this beautiful beat up old pile of truck. Has nice lows and ramp. The ramp is working from the seller's works. Look at this nice truck. Wow, it's a little rusty, but it's not a problem, probably. GMC. Oh, it's GMC, so that's the good sign. GMC never die or dies. Okay, I'm making everything ready to start it. This door even better. So it used to be a yellow color. It's probably Penske. Okay. It says motor okay, 15 quarts of trans, 10 quarts of motor oil. What do you think, Ivan?
I don't know, it's a weekend.
You don't know? If you don't know, who knows? Nobody knows then. Where's the battery? I have nice jump box, brand new. My old jump box has been stolen recently. The driver brought my car and they stole my jump box. Can you believe it? So one battery is missing, right? You got the key or I got the key? Yeah, I got the key. It's in my pocket. Let's try to open the door. See if it opens. Yep. Woohoo! Smells good. Dry. How many miles on this truck? Wow. Look at this radio. Really nice. Release. Automatic transmission. That's nice. The brake is so hard. The headliner is not that bad. So it's a nice truck. So the previous owner, they said the truck was running, but it was misfire or something like that, and one specialist came and he said something wrong with fuel injectors. Uh-oh. I want to be careful, don't drop it on your feet. It's gonna be painful. USA. Tires are brand new. You think we can resell it for 6,000 or 4? Okay, let's see. 144,000 miles. Wow, it's still new for GMC. Okay, ignition is on. I'm holding the brake. Nothing. Starter doesn't work. Is it clicking? Starter clicking or not? Nothing. So it doesn't start. The radio works. Fan is working. But давай, let's try one more jumper. 1 second. Hold on. Да. Okay, Ivan wants to check if the lift is working. No, nothing. Hmm? Oh yeah, the bulb is power on. Lift gate active. Try to hold this button and now. Try now. No. Power on. It's not working. Power is not going to the starter. Ivan found fuse box. Bees. Hope it's gonna run soon. We're gonna make fire truck out of it. Ignition. Okay. Okay. Okay, ignition is on. So I wanna put another jump right to the fuse box because power is not coming. Oh, it's so hot today. Okay. Now let me push the brake. Now. Okay, we want to find the cable going from starter to another end and try to figure out why it's not working. A couple relays. So Ivan made lift gate. Lift gate is working now. Nice. Don't kill the battery. Beautiful. Leaking something? Just water? Yeah, it's just water. Okay. Okay, let's try to start it now. Nice hydraulic lift. Beautiful. Wow. Wow.
That's it.
Nice. Safety applied. So now let's try to start it. So somebody told me it has some safety things I have to apply, and after that I will be able to start it. So its instruction is right here. Usually I never read instructions, so I'm gonna try to follow instruction and start it. Okay, finally we found something. Let's try now. Yep. So Ivan, I told you, Ivan can start anything. So he touched the relay or something underneath and... So now we need just starting fluid, right? Okay, I'm gonna go to the store and bring some starting fluid. I'm on my way to get some starting fluid and I think we're gonna start it, baby. I got some starting fluid, $6. Now that car cost us $756. Okay, I'm heading to Ivan and we're gonna start it now. This is 1998. Another guy just came to us and he said he tried to work on this truck and it was running, but idle was go. Owner is coming too. He's right there. Что сделать? Okay, guys, epic moment. Woohoo!
Бензин.
No gas. No gasoline.
Давай еще раз.
Ah, okay. Смотри, look, you see these two sensors? Right there, two plugs. We have new ones right here. Yep.
Это когда педаль на газ нажмешь.
Wow. Fire! Oh my god, we just had a fire.
Окей, ладно.
It's everything caught on fire. Wow. But it runs. At least we have sparks.
Немножко изоленты.
That's okay, that's not the problem. So the engine is running but no gas.
По идее, если ты даешь газа, он же...
No gasoline. They have two new sensors. We're gonna try to switch the sensors now. Oh, and I mean not the sensors, fuel injectors probably. So no fuel coming to the carburetor. Filter right there.
забитый вот этот.
What is this?
Это угольный фильтр.
Charcoal. This is hydraulic pump right there.
Так, насколько там?
Okay.
Я защелкнул.
So I went disconnected the hose and there are no any gasoline. It's dry line. So we're gonna figure out why the fuel pump doesn't work. And we'll see, maybe we'll replace the fuel pump now. Okay, we decided to put some gasoline first. If it won't work, we're gonna remove the fuel pump right there. Okay, one. This truck is thirsty. Uh-oh.
Там бензин.
Empty. Maybe somebody drained the gas, you know, Nino. Nino drained the gas.
Maybe.
And that's it, that's why it has no gas. Fuel level doesn't work, we're gonna check with this stick. Yeah, it was empty, no gas. Let's try now. Okay, now trying with gasoline. Nothing. Nothing happening. Okay, we found out the fuel pump is completely dead. And to take the fuel pump out, we have to remove the fuel tank. What a pain in the ass. So everyone went to get some tools. And we're gonna remove this fuel tank and then fuel pump, check if we can buy a new one or replace with BMW or Mercedes or maybe Bentley, so we'll see. The fuel tank is almost out, just one more bolt. So now we just gotta pull it out. Tank is out. 13 millimeters. That fuel pump. Okay, show us fuel pump.
Just 1 second.
Washers.
Okay, you ready?
Okay, ready. Take it out.
Not pump. Huh?
Yep.
Yes.
This is the pump right here.
Well, it's too much garbage.
It's rusty, but it's not dirty. Let me see what's inside. Oh yeah, it has a lot of water. Look. You see?
Another mukbang.
Okay, fuel pump is right here. So let's connect the fuel pump and let's try again to see if it's working. Piece of junk. Okay, we called all local parts stores and nobody has fuel pump, but they're gonna get it tomorrow. So part number 1 is done. Wait guys for part number 2. Good luck.